Hello students, welcome to e-tutorial. Today we will see horizontal analysis. Now what is horizontal analysis? It's a financial comparison across the multiple periods. So the financial data from various periods have been compared across the time horizon. That is why it is known as horizontal analysis. Let's take the example E18-1. Prepare a horizontal analysis of the comparative income statement of a Bright Tutoring Incorporation. Round percentage changes to the nearest 1/10%. That means 1 decimal. And why was the percentage increase in the net income higher than that in the total revenue during the 2020? Now let's look at the first question. How to prepare the horizontal analysis? So for that, we need to follow the 3 steps. The first one, that there should be a minimum 2-period financial information provided. And we are already provided income statement for the 2020 and 2019. Second step is that we find out the change from one year to another year. So from change from 2019 to 2020, how we can find out? So we subtract the 2019 information from the 2020. So let's start with the sales amount, and I got 68,000 change. Many times the dollar value doesn't make sense or it may mislead the information. Hence, we convert into a percentage which provides more insightful information. So now a management can say that there is an increase in the net sales from 2019 to 2020 by 14.6%. That makes more importance. Now next one. 235,000 from 2020. Subtract 2019 information, financial data. We get 33,000 and we convert into a percentage. 33,000 divided by base year figure. So that gives a percentage change of 16.3%. Okay. Let's move further. The selling expense, 140,000 minus 135,000, giving a change of 5,000. And converting this percentage, that means a change amount divided by a base amount, base year amount. Okay, so 2019 is considered as a base year amount, right? That's from where we started it. So we can convert into a percentage, 3.7%. I follow the same steps for this interest expense, 10,000 minus 6,000, giving a 4,000 increase. That is a change. Change can be an increase, it can be a decrease also. But here in most, so far we have found only the increase. 4,000 divided by 6,000, that is a base year figure. We get a percentage, 66.7. So that's a big, huge difference, right? So interest expense has increased by 66.7%. And this is the one reason that why the management would like to have a horizontal analysis, so they can compare it that how much change has happened, whether there is increase or decrease in the key numbers. Moving further, for the wage expense, 51,000 minus 41,000, giving a change of 10,000, and that generated a percentage of 24.4%. We will do for the total expense, following the same steps, 436,000 minus 384,000, that is 52,000 is a change, and we get a percentage 52,000 divided by base year figure, which is 384,000, giving us a percentage of 13.5%. That means that total expenses from 2019 to 2020 increased by 13.5%. Now that when information provided with the percentage, it has a more impact. It has a more utility. Now finally we calculate for the net income following the same step, 97,000 minus 81,000, giving us 16,000 a change, and the percentage is 19.8%. So percentage we calculate like 16,000 divided by the base year, which is 2019 figure, so 19.8%. So this is how we can make a horizontal analysis. So first thing is that after having the 2-period data, we find the change and then we convert the percentage. Now, what is the second question? Second question is that why was the percentage increase in the net income higher? So percentage increase in the net income is higher, which is 19.8%, right? Is higher. So one reason is that because the net sales increase 14.6% is higher than the total expenses, which is 13.5%. So the increase in the net sales is higher than the increase in the total expense. Hence, the net income increase is higher. I hope that this tutorial will be useful to you. Thank you very much.